What's up everybody? Ako nga pala ang Disney Princess ng Matu na inassign ni Fairy Godmother dito sa Pingis. Ngayon, ating tatalakayin kung ano nga ba ang Bloom's Taxonomy. Bloom's Taxonomy is one of the recognized learning theories in the field of education. Kaya maraming mga guro ang gumagamit ito para hindi lang matuto or ma-memorize ng mga student kung ano yung lesson ngayon, but para magamit nila kung ano yung natutunan nila dati at makagawa ng panibago ngayon. Now, let's talk about the three domains, the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domain. Cognitive domain is focused on intellectual skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and creating knowledge base. At alam nyo ba kung saan nakapokus ang cognitive hierarchy? Nakapokus ito para ma-extend ang simple memorization ng isang bata para makagawa siya ng bago based sa kung ano yung natutunan niya dati. For example, ang isang bata ay nanood ng isang short film. Through that, matututo at ma-observe niya kung paano maggumawa ng isang short film. Ngayon, makakagawa na siya ng short film based sa kung ano yung natutunan niya dati. Now, let's talk the second domain, the affective domain. It is focused on the attitudes, values, interests, and appreciation of the learners. At may tinatawag din tayong affective domain. Nakapasok dito ang receiving, responding, valuing, organization, and characterization. Ang affective domain ay nagsisimula sa simpleng noticing and understanding the information, moves through responding, organizing the beliefs, and valuing the beliefs, and it ends with characterization. At nakakatulong ang affective domain para malaman ng mga bata kung ano nga ba yung mga pinaniniwalaan nila at kung paano ito nade-develop. Last, we talk about the last domain, the psychomotor domain. Ito ay nakapokus sa learning through physical action ng mga bata. And nakapokus din ito sa development ng ability ng mga bata to do tasks, to take action, and use physical skills. In Harrow's hierarchy, nakapasok dito ang reflexes, basic fundamental movements, perceptual abilities, physical abilities, skill movement, and last, non-discursive communication. And yun lang for today's video. Don't forget to follow, like, and share our videos.
I just had to let you know you're